Sweetie wants to frighten her darling. She's hiding in the fridge. It's crucial not to close the door from the inside because you may easily freeze. When Mickey comes to the fridge, I personally give him an orange. It's home fridge service.
Surprise, motherfucker.
The most desired holidays turn into the most terrible nightmares. My ship's wrecked and I am completely alone on a desert island. Well, actually not completely. Fortunately, my friend managed to save herself. And she keeps her composure as opposed to me. Think my suitcase that God is safe and sound. On the downside, it has nothing for survival. It is full of tools for DIY. Why? Why? The world around is definitely set against me. Oops!
Who can say where the road goes?
So she's added some extra colors
onto Mickey's sweatshirt.
Pour disappearing ink onto the sweatshirt. It evaporates in a few minutes. And I wake up in my bed. We are going on a voyage with her soon. But Curly Sue is completely calm as usual. She assures me that there is no reason to worry because these are tried and tested. It's nice to have a grandma, and it is even nicer to have her at a distance.
Be gone, fuck!
Well, you know right away that our beloved Granny has come. Granny passes out right on to Redhead.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah.
What's happened to her hair? And why has she got a tattoo? It already happened once when she was young. She woke up in Vegas, unaware what had happened the day before. Excellent! We will sneak in changed vitamins. Attach a different label to a vitamin container. I put vitamins on the shelf. Granny's looking for her medicine, but she finds some different vitamins instead. Granny passes out right onto Redhead. Cheating wins. Granny finds a whole ball of tangled cables. And what should you do when you find a tangled ball? Right! Take knitting needles and start knitting. It's a natural reflex of all the grannies.